Okay, so I want to talk about some of the respects in which drone use has evolved over the years. So here's a Predator drone. And the Predator drone could do a bit of damage. It's got two Hellfire missiles, you can see here and here. And it can do some damage, but its main job was to gather intelligence, to survey, to report back in real time. Over the years, the Predator drone's been phased out, and it's been replaced with a different drone, the MQ-9 Reaper drone. And Reaper drone costs $12 million to build. It's used by wealthy states exclusively because it's so expensive. Non-state actors can't use them, um, the people we often fight in the war on terror, for example, don't have access to these things. They're not wealthy enough. And they do way more damage than the Predator drone, and they're capable of doing way more damage than the Predator drone. So before Operation Iraqi Freedom, drones were used for reconnaissance, like the Predator drone. But after Operation Iraqi Freedom, drones shifted to having the role of being a hunter or a killer and a combatant. So the evolution of the use of drones is mainly from surveying, but able to do a bit of damage, to becoming a combatant, becoming a hunter and killer.